Tonight, don't miss a very special Joe Lieberman MD. Previously on Joe Lieberman MD, Dr. Joe shocked the Senate ER staff when he proposed a bold new approach to healthcare. When others insisted that reform was the only way to reform, Dr. Joe had his own prescription.
The truth is that nothing is better than that.
Nothing. The renegade doctor from Connecticut had come up with a visionary solution. But Dr. Schumer and Rockefeller concocted a plan to inject the patient with a Medicare buy-in. Only Dr. Lieberman saw the problems with that approach.
It has some of the same infirmities that the public option did.
Seeing that his nothing solution was in trouble, Doc Lieberman came up with an even more innovative plan.
We've got to stop adding to the bill. We've got to start subtracting some controversial things.
Dr. Joe realized the only thing better than nothing is less than nothing, and he proposed a series of radical amputations.
You got to take out the Medicare buy-in. You got to forget about the public option. You probably have to take out the Class Act, which is a whole new entitlement program.
Dr. Joe knows the only way to end a patient's illness is with their death. Will his bold plan be accepted? Find out tonight on Joe Lieberman MD, because Dr. Joe has the final word on healthcare reform.
It's unnecessary.
On people's death certificates, it should say cause of death, Joe Lieberman. Unbelievable. Now, check this out. More than 80% of Democrats say that they believe that Senator Joe Lieberman should be stripped of his chairmanship in the Senate if he ends up supporting a Republican filibuster of health care reform, according to the latest poll. It was done by Progressive Change Campaign Committee and another one done by Democracy for America. They did a survey several days ago, more than 800 voters, whether Lieberman's position on health care should affect his status as head of the Senate Homeland Security and Governmental Affairs Committee. 81% of Democrats say they'd like to see Senator Joe Lieberman's chairmanship, which he was allowed to keep, despite the fact that he campaigned with and for John McCain. He is unfreaking believable, this guy. The nerve of him is endless.